scissors.
I will find your scissor. Scissors with S. Are you excited to open the box?
Yeah. Let's start it. Let's start. Let's start it. Let's start it.
Do you love painting a lot? Do you love colors?
Yeah. Purple, blue, pink, yellow, black, peach.
Oh, ask mommy if you need help.
Colors.
All colors.
Sa atin, di ko wala na.
What do you mean? Do you want help?
No. I want shoes.
There. Here now. Careful.
Open it. Open it, Mommy. Open it.
I'll help you.
Okay. Mine.
Close your eyes. And then count 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 10.
Oh! Why did you take a shortcut in counting?
Wow!
What's this ba? It's a portable gouge paint
I
bucket set.
I can get it. Mommy, I can get it, Mom.
Have a seat first. Have a seat. How do we open this? Oh, there.
Oh, so pretty. Let's open it, Mommy. Wow! Wow! So pretty, Mommy. Look, it's so pretty. Mommy, let's open it, Mommy. Let's open it, this one.
Oh, this one is na papataas siya. Wow, it's a paint bucket.
Open it, this one, Mommy. Open it, this one. Open it.
Why?
Oh, it's so pretty, yeah?
What do you think is inside? Can you guess? Can you guess what's inside this?
Color.
Colors. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. How about you help me count 1 to 3?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I said 3 lang.
1, 2, 3.
Tada!
Wow, so pretty. Open it, this one, Mommy. Open it.
Oh, wait lang.
Is it purple? Yellow? Is it purple? Yellow?
Oh, let's let's check naman what are the colors. Can you help mommy identify the colors? Wow, there's a purple towel. That's your favorite, right?
Dito lagay yan dito. Mommy, open it, this one, Mommy. Open it. Please, Mommy.
Wow, you have new brush. You have new brush. We need to add water.
Okay. Water, Mommy, water. Please, Mommy, please go. Water, water, Mommy, water, water. Mommy, water, Mommy, water, water. Mommy, water, water, water,
Oh, ask daddy to give you water.
Water, 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 water. Mommy.
Sabi mo, Daddy, please get me some water, please.
Daddy, give me water, please.
Put it in this bucket.
Put this bucket. This one purple.
Oh, I'll get paper first, okay?
Oh, okay.
O, relax ka lang dyan. I'll get some paper.
Mommy, say this and go. Purple. Mommy, purple.
Here's your paper.
Purple, mommy, purple.
Ask Daddy to help you open the colors.
Open it in colors, mommy. Oh, open it colors, daddy. Open
One
it.
at a time, okay?
What color?
Purple.
It's dark. It's say this and go.
This is your painting palette. Oh, careful. I no, that's not how you do that. You use the paper. There's the paper. Put the paper here. No. You will use the paint bucket if i-rinse mo yung...
It's mommy mix. A pink and purple. Pink and purple, mommy.
Oh, you have to put purple here first. There. And then we'll get some pink color.
Please, mommy, pink.
Oh, wait lang. Hold on. Konti lang kasi baka po maubos ka agad. Right?
Shut.
Oh, may I borrow the other paintbrush?
Mommy, shine it down. And when it's below.
There's no pink, so we have to mix red and white.
Okay. Oh. Let's open it, mommy. This one.
Oh, have a seat first. Have a first. I'll get a little bit of red. And then...
This one, this one for white too.
And then white.
Right.
White plus red equals... I can't open this. I can't open. Ask Daddy.
Daddy, open it, open it, open it. Daddy, open it, open it. Oh, the picture. Oh, my big people.
I'll get a little bit of white there. One more. I'll get a little more. Yay! Oh, you mix it. Mixing so that you can have a pink color. Oh, here's the paper. Can you draw flower?
No.
What will you paint? Oh, you didn't wear na naman your apron.
Apron, Mom, apron ko. But anong apron ko?
Oh, we'll get your apron. Hold on.
Look, Mommy, it's Mati.
Wow, what color is that?
Pink.
Oh, come here. I'll remove your necklace
It's a
first.
pink, Mommy.
It's a pink color. How about your bracelet? And then
It's pink.
you wear your apron.
Pink.
Kasama ka kami.
Purple.
Kasama na eh.
Purple. This one pink. Go pink.
Ah.
Pink. Pink. This one pink. Pink. It's really fun. It's white. It's so funny.
What can you say about the paint bucket?
Magic, mommy, magic. I don't. It's like a mirror.
Ah, it's like a mirror. You're looking at your reflection.
Mommy. Purple.
Oh, finish this first. You have purple here.
Mommy, please, mommy.
Oh, what are you doing? Are you sad?
No. I want the purple. And paper with color purple. So funny.
Konti lang.
Another fish one, another purple.
Here's the back. Oops. Ah, enough na yung purple, ah. What are you painting? Is that a flower?
No.
Oh, enough na. Oh, it's here, oh.
Gawin yan ako purple jellyfish.
Okay, purple jellyfish.
Gawin ako purple bangka.
Okay.
Matibay. Hindi hulong. Mataas-taas. Hindi hulong.
Sinong hindi hulog?
Si Bishop. Magic mommy. Why?
Oops, baka matapon. Careful, you have to be very careful with water.
Anong gawin yan? Anong gawin?
This is called water bucket, water painting bucket, because you can hold this like
Anong
this.
gawin yan, mami? Ano?
Hawakan yan. Oh, baka matapon. Put down na lang, put down.
Mami, puso ko anong gawin yan?
Panglabit yan.
Paano?
Oops, enough na for the purple. Enough already. We had so many purple already. Careful with water. Careful.
Magic yan. Purple, white. Iwan yan. Magic.
Are you happy with the paint bucket tool? Paint bucket set? Bia, enough na with purple. Enough na. O, last na ha. Last na. Last one. Because kapag inubos mo yan, wala ka nang gagamitin the next day. Kasi inubos mo na in one day. Do you like that?
No.
Put the cover na. Put the cover. You will have no purple the next time you want to use that na.
With my hands.
Mm-mm.
So it's bunny. Haha. Kissy. I'm a kissy king. A kissy king. I'm a kissy
O baka matapon. Careful. You have to be very careful. Okay, can you help me identify where's the jellyfish is? Where's the jellyfish?
Your hands ko na yung dirty, Mommy.
Oh, here you go.
Because I can Mommy.
Naulan sa, it's raining outside. Come back here. Well, I'll just give you wet wipes. It's raining downstairs. It's raining.
Pasok.
It's raining sa labas.
Pasok sa baba.
Sa baba.
Pasok.
Mamaya. Ay, tingnan mo yung gamit mo na kulayan ah. Careful.
Mommy, yung hands ko dirty.
Opo, opo. O, mamaya. Yung gamit
Bakit
mo.
naging purple yung pink? Purple na?
Yes, purple na po. Yay! O, let's clean up na. Let's clean up na. Naglalandi na si Bria.
Ayaw ko na. Iba color muna. Black. It's so dark. Open it dark. Open it black. Mommy, is it scary? Is
Dali pa.
it terrible? Mm. Mm. This one too. This one too, Daddy. This one. Ito din, Daddy. Ito.
Konti lang ha. Put here.
It's so dark. It's so,
Oh, help kita.
it's so,
Here you go.
it's so scary. It's so scary, Mommy. It's so scary.
What will happen if you put black in this water bucket? What do you think? Will it get lighter or will it get darker? What happened?
Oh, it's darker. Look, it's smudging.
Oh no! It's all black now.
Mini color. Different colors. Rainbow.
Oops, careful. Oh, that's quite a lot. That's quite a lot.
Gawain ako din.
No, baby. Careful.
Willow. Mitch. Oh. Willow.
Konti lang. O, sa ibabaw. Ay, I told you, sa ibabaw lang. Yan. Where's the cup? There.
Oh. Look, it's a magic, Mommy. Look, it's a magic. It's green.
Yes, it's green. Have a seat.
It's a green, Mommy. See? so funny. It's green. It's so funny. Mommy, it's so funny. Mommy, it's green. Tapos?
Oh, you paint na this. Ay,
Tapos yan.
you told me you're going to create green jellyfish.
Mami, tapos.
Oh, nasaan yung yung jellyfish mo? Where's the jellyfish? I can see it.
This one.
No, here. You said you're going to create green jellyfish.
Pang magic ko yan, pang magic. Pang magic ko ito, pang magic ko yan, pang magic.
O, try mo lagyan ng yellow. What will happen? This one, oh. This one. What will happen?
This video! Mommy. This iba na colors, Mommy. Iba na. Pasa ko, iba na colors. Pasa ko, iba na colors. Tingnan mo na, iba na colors. Ayan. Iba na colors, Mommy. Iba na colors. Tingnan mo, iba na colors.
Look at this.
Oh! How I do that?
If you add blue here, it will get darker. It will get darker.
I don't want. This one, right?
If you add blue also, it will get darker also.
This one, not dark. Is it right?
It's because it's light blue.
Yeah, I want to write blue. Or is right?
Oh, konti lang. Oh, you mix the colors already. Use a new brush if you're using a new color, okay? Next time.
Help me, Mommy.
Oops, konti lang. Oh, enough. I'll help you. Like that.
Kay Daddy yan. Kay Daddy ito.
Opo, blue.
Painting tayo, Daddy. Painting. Daddy, painting tayo. Let's go. Painting.
Okay.
Painting tayo, Daddy. Tingnan nyo. Painting tayo. Nandun si Mommy. Sa baba. Daddy, nandun si Mommy sa baba. Mommy sa baba.
Let's paint. What do you want to paint? We can create. Let's see.
This one yung guide, oh. Mixing colors. Oh, have a seat, Bria. Have a seat.
Sino yan, Daddy? Daddy! Huwag tagbog! Oh. Purple.
O, konti lang. Here, in the paper. In the paper. No, in the paper.
I go growing yard, rainbow, and blowing rainbow. It's so funny. It's a rainbow.
Ops, enough na yung blue. Konti lang. Konti lang. Konti lang. Konti lang, Bia. Ibalik mo yung iba. Ibalik mo. Put back the other paint. Dami.
Okay yun, Mami. Tingting lang ako mumu. Tingting lang ako mumu. Bro. Mami, tingting lang ako mumu. Bro. Mommy, Daddy is a girl. Oh, my baby, baby. My baby is cellular. And the brother breaker. Only. Oh, my babies.
What are you painting? You're drawing ocean? The ocean? You're painting the ocean? What are you painting?
Ocean. Okay, Daddy yan. Sa iyo yan, Daddy. Sa iyo ito. Sa iyo yan, Daddy. Sa iyo yan, pangit. Tingnan mo, pangit yan. Yeah. Look. Look. Luya. Lugayo. Imengoya. Ingo. Ingo pa. Ikuwayo. Ibuya ko. Ingong. Ingaw po. Iwang. Tuwing ako dagat.
Oh, enough na. You still have many blue sa paintbrush. Spread mo na lang yung colors dyan. Or you add water para mag-spread out yung color.
Water, Mommy.
Or you dip the paintbrush in the water and then put back sa paper. Like this.
Tissue.
Like this. You put the brush in the water bucket and then draw again. Oh, like that.
Mommy, again, hugas, Mommy, again. Hugas. Again, hugas, Mommy. Again, hugas. Please, Mommy, again. I want again hugas.
Oh, finish na your painting.
Again, hugas, Mommy. Again,
After this, kasi bababa na naman tayo to wash your hands. Later ulit tayo mag-wash your hands. Oh, use wet wipes muna.
Hindi. Ayaw ko yun. Wash muna. Wash. Wala. Hindi. Nagdodon ng lago. Hugas. Pia. Hugas si Pia. Bababa. Hugas. Kasi po malaki. Malaki na chipi. Hugas. Hugas. Pia. Hindi dati malaki. Nabasa pa ako. Nabasa pa ako. Ay, bata. Mas, kung hindi,
Yay! Oh, clean na your hands mo. Oh, here's the wet wipes.
hindi, hindi, hugas tayo, hugas tayo sa baba, Mami. Hugas tayo sa labas.
Kay daddy naman.
Hugas tayo sa labas.
Subscribe and tap the bell and explore where play meets purpose at Tinker Toys.